Check, test, mic check. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to unbox our first iPhone. We got it today, so we're going to unbox it. Okay, I need some scissors. Ta-da! Okay. I'm going to open this. Love for you. Ta-da! Pop it. Pop it. Okay. So, that's what it comes with. And the new iPhone. Wow, there's like some dust. Is this brand new? Oh yeah, it is. This thing that we have too. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! There she is. There you go. Ta-da! Okay. So it came with this. No box, so I don't know how to charge it without the box. It came with this thing. Of course, the pen for your SIM card in the manual, and of course, the sticker. Isabella's gonna turn it on. I think this is the power button here. You can see the apple that Snow White ate, and you say hola, hello. Okay, of course you're gonna select English. Okay guys, right now we're gonna set up the Face ID. If you can see, position your face, move iPhone a little lower. Is this? Okay, let me just do it like this way. A little lower, okay? There you go. Move your head slowly. Circular motion. Okay, continue. Move your head slowly, move the device. Okay, there you go. Continue. Create a password. I downloaded this iOS app. Continue. Agree. Automatically send only this time. Setting to see available never turn Wi-Fi on. Okay, Wi-Fi should be on. Successful. Display chance. Choose what you want to message. Allow, allow, contact, allow, calendar, allow, Google account, camera roll, allow. How can I cancel it? Welcome. Baliktad. Welcome to iPhone. Then go swipe up. And there you go. First you have to try the camera. We're going to open our case. So this is just the one that we got from T-Mobile. Okay, this is so new guys, so we have to be very careful. Charot. It's not letting me. Okay, it's just kind of hard to. Ta-da! Tempered glass. Okay guys, so that's it for our today's vlog unboxing my new iPhone. Thanks to my husband. I don't know, I never had an iPhone before, but I'm curious, how this new iPhone 13 Pro Max or 13 works, and we'll see. if I like it or not. But for now, I'm just gonna explore my new phone, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Babushka. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up view. I'm gonna cover my face. That's how big the camera is. And oops, it's already dirty, but it's like this big, like as big as my face. It's the back. This is the gold one, so yep. We have our tempered glass there. As you can see, I set up. So I'm just so excited to use my first ever iPhone phone, iOS phone. So I hope I'm gonna like it.